The universe is filled with billions of planets scattered across endless space. But some worlds are so extreme and terrifying that they feel almost impossible to exist at all. These are not places of comfort or curiosity in the traditional sense, but environments so hostile that they push the limits of physics, chemistry, and imagination itself. Each discovery reveals how violent and unpredictable the cosmos truly is, and how fragile Earth becomes when compared to what lies beyond it. One of the most violent exoplanets ever observed is HD 189,733b, a world where beauty has no meaning and survival is impossible in any familiar sense. This planet experiences extreme winds reaching thousands of kilometers per hour, strong enough to reshape the entire atmosphere continuously. Even more terrifying is the presence of molten glass particles carried through the air like deadly horizontal rain. On this world, destruction is not sudden but constant, surrounding everything at all times. Another horrifying world is WASP-B, a giant planet trapped in a fatal gravitational relationship with its own star. It orbits so closely that the star's gravity is literally pulling the planet apart, piece by piece. Material from its surface is being stripped away and consumed into space, creating a slow process of planetary destruction. It is not a stable world, but a celestial body in the middle of gradual disappearance. Then there is Kepler 70b, one of the most extreme environments ever identified by astronomers. Temperatures on this planet rise so high that even rock would instantly vaporize upon contact with the surface. The heat is far beyond anything found in our solar system, turning matter itself into unstable energy. It is a place where solid ground cannot exist in any meaningful form. A completely different kind of darkness exists on Scariest, a world known for being darker than coal itself. This planet reflects almost no light, making it one of the blackest known objects in the universe. Even under direct starlight, it remains nearly invisible against the backdrop of space. It is a planet that does not reflect light, but instead seems to absorb it completely. Scientists believe its surface may be covered in vast oceans of molten lava that shift and reshape continuously. Volcanic activity dominates the entire planet, preventing any form of stability or permanence. It is a world where destruction and creation happen at the same time without pause. Temperatures here are so low that even gases would freeze into solid forms instantly. It is a planet locked in permanent cold, far from any star that could provide warmth or light. Silence and emptiness define its existence completely. Within our own solar system, Jupiter stands as a massive storm-driven giant with no solid surface at all. Its atmosphere is filled with storms larger than entire planets, including the Great Red Spot that has raged for centuries. If Earth were to enter Jupiter's atmosphere, it would be destroyed long before reaching any stable layer. It is a planetary system of chaos and pressure. In sharp contrast, Venus appears similar to Earth in size, but is completely hostile in reality. Its atmosphere is so dense that it would crush anything instantly, while clouds of acid rain surround the entire planet. Surface temperatures are hot enough to melt metal, creating conditions far beyond human survival. Venus is not just harsh, but completely unlivable in every direction. A mysterious and unsettling world is Gliese 1214b, believed to be a massive ocean planet unlike anything on Earth. However, its oceans exist under extreme pressure, with unknown chemical behavior at depths no one can directly observe. Beneath its surface lies a hidden environment that may hold completely unfamiliar physics. It is a world of mystery, more than certainty, and no source of warmth, drifting endlessly through interstellar space. These planets travel through darkness between stars like abandoned celestial bodies, frozen, silent, and completely detached from any solar system. They represent isolation on a cosmic scale. They are worlds without home, light, or direction. All of these planets remind us how dangerous and extreme the universe truly is, beyond Earth. While our planet may feel unpredictable at times, it remains a rare pocket of stability in an otherwise violent cosmos. In comparison to these alien worlds, Earth becomes a fragile oasis floating in a sea of extremes. And that raises a deeper question about how many more terrifying planets are still waiting to be discovered in the darkness beyond our reach.